Hello, welcome to this channel. I'm Gautam Kumar, and today I'm going to talk about a book that is called Notes on Nationalism. The title of book is Notes on Nationalism, written by George Orwell. First of all, let's talk about the author. George Orwell, born Eric Arthur Blair, was a much respected English novelist, political author, and journalist who wrote some of the finest pieces in literary criticism, poetry, fiction, and polemical journalism. Born on June 25, 1903, in Bihar, India, to a civil servant who worked in the then legal opium trade, Orwell moved to London with his mother at the age of 1. He started his schooling at Cyprian's, which he referred to as a lukewarm bath of snobbery, and later won a scholarship to Eton but did not perform well there, perhaps by choice. Having no other option left, he signed up for the Indian Imperial Police and left for Burma, modern day Myanmar, in 1922. Nationalism is inseparable from the desire for power. As the name of book suggests, it is just like a summary and notes of various opinions regarding nationalism. And in order to grasp it wholly, you need to have a clear idea of political history of Europe, Indian subcontinent, and America. Even if you are not aware of the facts and details, it will coax you to do so at various points. Author has left unanswered questions to be solved, understand, and contemplate by the readers itself. Apart from all these things, it is relevant today to know the real meanings of nationalism, patriotism, and difference between pseudo-nationalism, patriotism, and so on, whether it is politics of India or any place of similar conditions and approach. There is an excerpt of this book, that is, by patriotism I mean a devotion to a particular place and a particular way of life, which one believes to be the best in the world, but has no is to force upon other people. Patriotism is of its nature defensive, both militarily and culturally. Nationalism, on the other hand, is inseparable from the desire for power. The abiding purpose of every nationalist is to secure more power and more prestige, not for himself, word, but for the nation or other unit in which he has chosen to assign his own individuality. So, this is a great masterpiece of George Orwell, published by Penguin Modern Classics, and it is quite relevant for the contemporary politics of Indian subcontinent, or you can say India. So go ahead and read once, must read once this book.